I'm at Constance Jackson's house, 3931 Graceland Drive, Memphis, Tennessee. Claim number is 0779293661. It's 73 degrees. March 18th, 2025. This is my control area. This is going to be my repair area. We're on the rear slope. Got a hammer, a roof snake, a soft cloth for granule loss. I'm replacing this shingle with a temporary one, Onyx Black, Owens Corning Supreme, algae resistant. I'm going to be removing this shingle. To remove this shingle, I'm going to need to break the seals on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 other shingles to remove this shingle right here. And I've got my repair area. So I'm going to do the granule loss. Just lightly brushing. The repair area. Lightly brushing. Now I'm going to start the repair. So we're removing this shingle right here. Roof snake. Break the seals. One. Two. Three. 5, 6, 7. Looking for the fasteners, not pulling them up more than 45 degrees. We've got a fastener here, a fastener here, and a fastener here. And then to get this shingle out, I'm gonna have to remove the fasteners up here because these are holding this one in. I've got a fastener here, a fastener here, a fastener here, a fastener here. I got a fastener here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fasteners to remove this shingle. Start up here and removing these fasteners right here. And you can already see I have a fastener pull. Causing a little creasing. Another fastener pull. Another fastener pull. Heavy material transfer. You can see the fiberglass right here to here. More heavy material transfer. You can see the mat transfer still stuck from here to here. Break the seals and start getting this one out. Fastener pull. A fastener pull. Fastener pull. Another fastener pull. Heavy material transfer on this shingle that's being removed. We have heavy material transfer on the top shingles. See creasing right there. The nail head broke. So I'm going to install this shingle. To do this, I'm going to have to bend these shingles just enough. No more than 45 degrees. But I can't put them back in the same hole because of the fastener pulls. You can see creasing. Creasing. That's the angle I have to get this hammer in there to drive the nail flush. Creasing. Getting it flush. About 145 degrees. Can't put it right there because of the fastener pull. Creasing, creasing, creasing and granule loss. More than 45 degrees, but can't put it back in the same spot because of the fastener pull. Creasing, 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 creasing. the amount of material transfer that were on these shingles, these are not going to reseal. That's heavy material transfer. This shingle will not reseal back to this one. Creasing there, creasing there. And to repair 75 other shingles, we're going to cause damage to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shingles per repair. This failed. Material transfer. Material transfer. Creasing. So we've got material transfer. We've got fastener pulls. We did not have any tears except for up under where the kind of the shingle tore getting pulled out. We've got creasing and we've got granule loss. We've got 4 out of the 5 major components. This shingle was black at one time. It is not anymore. It does not match either. We're going to show the granule loss. A little granule loss coming down. And then in the controlled area, same thing.